Greetings to everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about anatomy, जिसका इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है ब्रेन स्टेम। चलिए आज हम स्टडी करेंगे ब्रेन स्टेम एनाटॉमी के रिलेटेड। इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ ब्रेन स्टेम एनाटॉमी। द ब्रेन स्टेम इज अ स्टॉक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स दैट कनेक्ट द सेरिब्रम विद द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड। ब्रेन स्टेम स्टॉक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर की तरह होती है, कनेक्ट करती है सेरिब्रम में स्पाइनल कॉर्ड पे, and consist of the midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata. The brainstem contains many nerves, pathways, reflex centers, and nuclei, and serves as a major relay station for sensory motor and autonomic informations. All cranial nerves except one and except two originate from the brainstem. The brainstem also plays a critical role in the control of cardiovascular and respiratory functions, consciousness, and the sleep-wake cycles. Then I will talk about midbrains. Midbrain connects to the diencephalons above and the pons below, divided in ventral tegmentum and the dorsal tectum, contains many vital structures, cranial nerves, 3 and 4 nuclei, reticular formations, extrapyramidal structures, cerebral aqueducts. Blood supply of midbrains, branches of posterior cerebral artery. Then I will talk about divisions from rostral to caudals. There are 3 divisions. First one midbrain, and second pons, and third medulla oblongata. Then location of the brain stems. Note the ascending order from the medulla at the base through pons in the middle, ending with the midbrains and the most rostral portion of the brain stems. Then I will talk about internal structure and cranial nerves origins. Difference between internal structure of the brain stems and second cranial nerves origins. There are 3 lamina in the internal structure of the brain stems. First one tectums consist of the quadrigeminal plates and medullary velum, responsible for auditory and visual reflexes. First one tegmentum, middle layers, and third side cranial nerve nuclei, somatotopic organizations. Then bases of internal structure of the brainstem. There are 2 bases, most anterior part and second root of motor pathways. Then cranial nerve origins. Cranial nerve origins in midbrain, oculomotors, trochlears, and then pons involve trigeminerals, abducens, and facial, and then medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata in glossopharyngeals, vagus, spinal accessory, and hypoglossals. Then I will talk about pons and medulla oblongata. First one pons. Pons connect to the brain above to the medulla oblongata below. Cranial nerve site of central nervous system, 5, 6, 7, and 8 nuclei. Then blood supply of pons, branches of the basilar artery, anterior inferior cerebral artery. Then medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata connects brainstem with the spinal cord, with the tension occurring at the foramen magnum. 3 vital structure located in the medulla. First one cardiac centers, second medullary rhythmicity centers, and third vasomotor centers. Then cranial nerve site of central nervous systems, 9, 10, 11, and 12 nuclei. Then blood supply of medulla oblongata, branches of anterior spinal artery, vertebral artery, and posterior inferior cerebral artery. Then I will talk about midbrain. Midbrain connects diencephalon to the pons, origin of 2 cranial nerves, 3 and 4. Then key structure of the midbrain, including the superior colliculus, red nucleus, crus cerebri, substantia nigra, cranial nerve, C nucleus, and nerve, as well as a cerebral aqueduct. Then I will talk about internal structure and cranial nerve origins. Cranial nerves, central nervous system, 3 and 4 in the midbrain, 5 and 8 in the pons, and last 9 and 12 in the medulla oblongata. Then I will talk about internal structure and cranial nerve origins. Additional features. There are 2 additional features. First one cerebral aqueducts, and second periaqueductal gray. Then I will talk about internal organizations. There are 4 internal organizations. First one crus cerebri involved major pathway of motor output from the cortex, anterior portion of the cerebral peduncle. And second, substantia nigra, member of the basal ganglia, conveys dopaminergic fibers to the basal ganglia, involved in regulation of movement, site of dopamine productions. Then mesencephalic tegmentums, red nucleus, oculomotor nucleus, trochlear nucleus, and last medial longitudinal fasciculus. Then tectum. Tectum involved inferior colliculus, superior colliculus, and last pretectal nucleus. Then I will talk about arterial supply of the midbrain. Various branches of the posterior cerebral artery Thalamoperforate arteries, middle posterior choroidal artery. Then artery supply of the midbrain. Thalamoperforate arteries in green and the middle posterior choroidal artery in blue. All these vessels are branches of the posterior cerebral artery. Then I will talk about pons. Connects the midbrain above the medulla oblongata below. Regions of 4 cranial nerves. First one 5 tegmental, 6 abducens and 7 facial and 8 involved vestibulocochlear. Then cranial nerves throughout the brainstem. Note the 4 cranial nerves that come from the pons cranial nerves. Central nervous system 5, 6, 7 and 8. All of these emerge from the pontine tegmentum. Then I will talk about internal organization of arterial supply. Internal organization, basilar pons, motor fibers of the corticopontines, corticospinals and corticocubulars descending via the crus cerebri. And pontine tegmentum, sites of all cranial nerves, nuclei associated with the pons. Then artery supply discuss. Blood supply to the arterial supply involve blood supply to the pons is primarily derived from branches of the basilar artery. Additional supply comes from the branches of arterial inferior cerebral artery. Then artery supply of the pons. Short circumferential branches of the basilar artery are in red. The long circumferential branches of the basilar artery as well as branches of the superior cerebral artery are in blue and the paramedial branches of the basilar artery in the green. Then I will talk about medulla oblongata. Extend from the first part of the cervical spinal nerves, lower border of the pons, origin of the lower cranial nerves, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 9 involved glossopharyngeal, 10 involved vagus, 11 involved accessory and 12 involved hypoglossals. Then 3 vital centers in the medulla oblongata. First one, cardiac centers set the rate of cardiac contractions, and second, medulla rhythmicity centers with the pontine respiratory centers to regulate the rhythm of breathings. And last, vasomotor centers control vascular tone. Then I will talk about internal organizations. Corticospinal tract include motor pathway beginning in the motor cortex, lower motor neurons in the spinal cords, control motor movement of limbs and trunks, sensory nucleus of the trigeminal nerves, carries pain and temperature sensations through A and C nerves, fiber from the ipsilateral face project to the ventral posterior medial nucleus of the thalamus. And last one, arterial supply. Lateral posterior inferior cerebellar artery, medial involved arterial spinal artery and vertebral artery. Arterial supply of the medulla oblongata is most medial portion illustrated in red, supplied by the arterial spinal artery. Next in blue is the supply from the vertebral artery. Most laterally the medulla is supplied by the posterior inferior cerebral artery denoted in green. I hope ये all information आपके लिए helpful होगी. Thanks for watching this video.